Ever pondered about diversifying your income while still being an employee? It's an enticing thought, isn't it? A way to grow wealth, minimize risk, and maximize earnings. The secret sauce to this financial success story is diversifying your income sources. Now you might ask, why diversify? Well, consider this. We all have multiple streams of expenses, so why rely on just one source of income? Today we're going to explore a compelling plan that outlines 9 income streams you can develop alongside your regular job. These aren't pie-in-the-sky schemes, but practical, achievable strategies that have worked for countless individuals. From starting a service business, leveraging expertise in consulting, to securing board memberships, and even investing in laundromats, we've got it all. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey towards financial stability and growth without leaving your steady job. Let's dive into these 9 income streams. First off, consider starting a service-oriented business. This is a venture where you provide a specific service in exchange for payment. It could be anything from offering digital marketing expertise to businesses, or providing pet sitting services in your local community. What's exciting about a service business is that it often requires minimal capital to start. All you really need is your skill, time, and a little bit of marketing savvy to get your first clients. For instance, you might consider an online service business like web design or content creation. These businesses can be run from anywhere and the startup costs are usually low. On the flip side, an offline service business like a local dog walking service can be equally fruitful. It allows you to engage with your community and build a local reputation. A service business can be a great stepping stone to start with minimal investment. Ever thought about leveraging your niche expertise into profitable consulting opportunities? Well, let's dive into that. You see, each one of us is an expert in something, be it coding, digital marketing, or even knitting. And there are people out there who are willing to pay for your knowledge and expertise. Imagine this. You could be having one-off phone calls with clients, sharing your insights, and walking away with a paycheck. How does a potential monthly income between $2,000 to $4,000 sound? Not too shabby, right? And the best part is you can do this while maintaining your regular job. All it takes is a bit of time management and a whole lot of passion for your area of expertise. So why not turn that passion into profit? Your expertise can become your secret weapon. Board membership sounds challenging, right? Well, let's dive into this exciting income stream. Imagine a place where your unique insights, garnered from years of education or work experience, are valued and sought after. That's what being on a board is like. You're invited to offer strategic advice, solve industry problems, and help steer the direction of a company or organization. Now, you might be thinking, I'm not a CEO or a business guru. How can I serve on a board? That's a common misconception. You don't need to be a corporate bigwig to secure a position on a board. You just need specialized knowledge in a specific area, something you are likely already equipped with thanks to your job or education. Being on a board not only provides an additional income stream, but it also enhances your professional network and boosts your industry standing. So don't underestimate your potential. Board membership can be a great platform for offering strategic advice. Public speaking, it's not just for the extroverts. Indeed, it's a skill that can be honed by anyone and can morph into a lucrative income stream. Picture yourself on stage, sharing insights and experiences, captivating your audience, and yes, getting paid for it. It's not just about the money, though. Public speaking engagements offer fantastic networking opportunities. You get to meet like-minded individuals, potential partners, and clients. The benefits don't stop there. The process of preparing for a speech or presentation aids in personal and professional development. You research, you learn, you grow, but it's not all roses. Public speaking demands significant preparation and, in some cases, travel. It requires you to step out of your comfort zone, face your fears, and embrace the spotlight. However, the rewards can far outweigh the challenges, so muster up that courage and step onto that stage. Public speaking can open doors to networking and skill development. How about creating and selling information products? Let's delve into this fascinating income stream. Information products are essentially knowledge packaged in a consumable format. These could be ebooks, courses, webinars, or even podcasts. that share your expertise with those who are eager to learn. The beauty of info products is that you create them once, but they can be sold an infinite number of times. Imagine you've written an ebook on investment strategies or a guide on navigating specific industries. You can sell these online to a global audience. Platforms like Gumroad make the process even easier, especially for beginners. They handle transactions and delivery, allowing you to focus on creating your content. Plus, the startup costs are minimal. All you need is your knowledge, a bit of creativity, and a dash of entrepreneurship. In a nutshell, info products can be an effective online income stream, transforming your expertise into a profitable venture. Building a brand or an audience can be a powerful income stream. Imagine creating a space where people are drawn to your thoughts, ideas, or products. This isn't just about fame or popularity, it's about creating value that others appreciate and are willing to support. Imagine having a dedicated newsletter or a blog that people eagerly await, or a YouTube channel where viewers tune in for every new episode. The possibilities are endless, and the best part, you can monetize this. How? Through sponsorships and affiliate sales. Companies are always on the lookout for platforms with engaged audiences to promote their products or services. Remember, this isn't an overnight success story. It involves a commitment to consistently creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. It's about fostering a community that trusts and values your perspective. This commitment can be time-consuming, but incredibly rewarding. Your audience can become your greatest asset. Their support can transform your passion project into a significant income stream, all while you continue your day job. Online sponsorships can be profitable, especially with a large audience. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is an online sponsorship? Simply put, it's when a business pays you to promote their products or services to your online audience. It's a fantastic way to monetize your platform, especially if you've built a substantial following. However, it's not just about the money. It's about creating valuable partnerships and collaborations. But there's a delicate balance to maintain. You must ensure that your sponsored content aligns with your brand image and values. Remember, your audience trusts you, and any content you produce should reflect that trust. So you must manage these sponsor relationships with care while maintaining control of your content. It's crucial to be selective with your sponsors, choosing those that offer products or services that you genuinely believe in and that your audience will find beneficial. Online sponsorships can be a win-win for you and your sponsors. Real estate investments and laundromats can create a steady cash flow. Imagine owning a tiny apartment, stylishly furnished, listed on Airbnb. With minimal effort, you can turn that property into a lucrative source of income, providing a place for travelers to rest their heads. This approach leverages property ownership to generate continuous income. Now consider the humble laundromat. It might not sound glamorous, but laundromats offer a unique business model in the service industry. It's characterized by low labor costs and high customer involvement. With an experienced partner, investing in laundromats can be a profitable venture. The beauty of this model is its simplicity. Customers use the machines, pay for the service, and you collect the income. Both these income streams, real estate and laundromats, offer the potential for steady, reliable earnings. They require an initial investment, but can pay off handsomely over time. Real estate and laundromats can be your ticket to continuous income. So, diversifying income sources provides financial stability and growth without leaving a steady job. Remember, we've explored 9 potential income streams today, from starting a service-oriented business to leveraging your expertise in consulting. We've discussed how board membership can use your specialized knowledge, how public speaking can grow your network, and how information products can become a viable online income stream. We've looked at the power of building a brand or audience, the potential profitability of online sponsorships, and how real estate and laundromats can offer steady cash flow. Don't forget about the concept of horizontal income too, which involves layering these different income streams to boost your financial growth. Diversifying your income is more than a strategy. It's a lifestyle choice for those seeking a gradual, risk-averse path to financial success. Remember, taking proactive steps rather than just discussing possibilities, is key to this approach. For more insights and actionable advice, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to check out our startup planner. The link is in the description.